Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. From exercise 3.6 question 2, formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. Already we have done the two part of this sum. So in this video we are going to see the third part of the sum. So try to understand. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So whenever question comes about the speed, we have the formula, that is speed equal to distance upon time. Okay, but here we have to find the speed of the train and the speed of the bus. So what we have to find, we will let them first as let the speed of the train be x and let the speed of the bus be y. So first that we will let it as x and y. And then we'll find from this formula speed of the train and bus we have to find out. Separately we have to find out. But if you see the time that is given, the distance is 300 kilometer total. Okay, so the total distance is 300 kilometer. But in that, the total distance she is covering up by train and by bus. So by train plus bus she is covering up. So total she is taking 4 hours. Together she is taking 4 hours. So then she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus. So 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus means from total 300 we have to minus 60, then only we will get bus. Then together she takes 4 hours. So same way, if she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, 100 km means remaining by bus, then we have to minus from 300, 100, then we'll get 200 km by bus. Then together she takes 10 minutes longer. That means first she has taken 4 hours. See, first when she travels 60 km, remaining by bus means 300 minus 60 you have to write. Then together she takes 4 hours. Now when 100 km plus remaining by bus means 100 plus 200. Then together she takes 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer means including these 4 hours plus 10 minutes longer she takes. So what we have to do is we have to convert this hour into minute. Then only we can plus that. So let's go to form the pair of equations. So since we have to find out the speed of the train and the bus, we keep it separately. So let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the bus y kilometer per hour. Now let's form the equations using the formula because time is given together. Time is given together because 60 kilometer by train and remaining kilometer by bus together she takes 4 hours. So that means time is given together. So we will keep time here and distance upon speed because the formula is actually what formula is speed equal to distance upon time. But then time is given to us together. Time is given to us together by train and bus together it is 4 hours. So what we will do, bring the time one side and then speed will come this side. So that's how modified the formula. So now let's write down. So she takes 60 kilometer. She travels by train. So speed of the train is what? X. We will use this only. Distance upon speed. Speed of the train is x kilometer and distance she travels by 60 kilometer by train. So 60 upon x plus remaining hours by bus means from 300 you have to minus 60. So you will get 240 remaining kilometer by bus and the speed of the bus is what? S is y. In this formula we are putting a distance of the train and speed of the train, then distance of the bus and speed of the bus. So that's what we have written. So together she takes 4 hours. Together she takes 4 hours. So one equation, or you don't need to give, we'll simplify, till then we'll not give name to this. So next condition, she travels 100 kilometer by train and remaining hours by remaining kilometer by bus. So remaining kilometer will be 200 because 100 is gone for train. So remaining is 200 by bus. So she takes how many hours? 4 hours plus 10 minutes. I told you longer 10 minutes she takes. When she takes 4 hours along with that plus 10 minutes longer she takes. So hours and 10 minutes together we cannot put it together. So this 4 hours we will convert into minute. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 4 hour will be how many minutes? So when we multiply, cross multiplication when you do, we will get 240 minutes. Now 10 minutes more, so 240 minutes plus 10 minutes will give us 250 minutes. But then here we have 4 hours. We have it here hours. How can we write here minutes? So we'll convert this minute now into hour. So for that we have to divide by 60 minutes because 1 hour is 60 minute is 1 hour. Then 250 minute will be how much? So then we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, it will become like this. 250 upon 60 will come down. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. So we have 25 upon 6 hour. So it will become 25 upon 6 hour. Now again, now this is in fraction. This is also is in fraction. So we have to simplify further. So we will keep it this. Let 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So now 1 upon x will become a, 1 upon y will become b. So now let's write the equations. So it will be 60x plus, sorry, this is a, right? 1 upon x is a. So 60a plus 240b equal to 4. This is simplified. Then next will be, this will keep it as equation 1. The next is 100a plus 200b equal to, this is 25 upon 6. Again it is in fraction. So what we'll do, we'll simplify again. Let this 6 come to this side. Then it will become into multiplication. So let the 6 come this side. So we will have 100a plus 200b. And this will be 25. So this 6 we have brought it this side. So when you multiply, we will get 600a plus 6 2s are 1200b, then 25. So let this be our equation 2. So we have this equation 1, we have equation 2. Two equations we have. Now let's use any method to find the solution. So by elimination method, any method you can use. If I have to use elimination method, then I have to see the variables should be same. Here I have 60a, here I have 600a, here 240b, here 1200b. So any one I have to make it same. So what I will do, this equation 1 I'll multiply with the 10, then it will become 600. So multiplying equation 1 by 10. So when I'll multiply this with 10, I will get, I'll write down here 10. Equation is 60a plus 240b equal to 4. So then I'll get it 600a plus 10 into 240 will become 2400b equal to 10 into 4 will become 40. This is my equation 3. So now from equation 1 I have derived equation 3. So now from equation 2 and 3 can we will subtract, because we have to eliminate. So for elimination method we have to subtract. Okay, so I'll write from equation. So from equation 2 and 3 we get, which is the biggest one? Equation 3 is biggest, so let's write down equation 3. 600 here. 600a plus 2400b equal to 40. Equation 2 is 600a plus 1200b 25. So if we have to eliminate, we have to change the sign because both are in plus. So we will change the sign. This becomes minus. This also will become minus. This become minus. So then this gets eliminated. So we will have here, this is minus. So when we subtract, we will have 1200b equal to this. We will get 15. So we will have b equal to 15 upon 1200. So if we are simplifying this, we'll get 15 1200. 5's table 5, 3 times 15, 2 times 10, 24 times 20, 0, 240. Again with table 3 you cancel 1 time 3 and 8 times 24, 0. So 1 upon 80. So we will get b equal to 1 upon 80. So b value we got, let us put this. Put b equal to 1 upon 80 in equation. You can take any of the equation because we have equation 2, we have equation 3, we have from where we have subtracted. So any of the equation you can take. So I'll take equation 2. So equation 2 will write down here. Equation 2 is what? Equation 2 is 600a plus 1200b equal to 25. This is equation 2. So let's put the value of b here. So 600a plus 1200, b value is 1 upon 80, 25. So 1 0 gets cancelled. So I will have 600a plus 120 into 1, 120 upon 8 equal to 25. So now if you see here in denominator we have 8 here. Here in denominator nothing is there. So consider that there is 1 is there. To get here also 8, both the side will multiply with 8. So here 8 600, when you multiply we will get 4800a. See, 600 you multiply with 8, 0 0 48 will get. So 4800a upon 8 plus this keep as it is because we have the 8 here. Keep 25. Now this 8 is in common. So it will be 4800a plus 120 common 8 here denominator. So let's bring that 8 this side. So 4800a plus 120 equal to 25 into 8 we get. So now when you multiply, we'll get 4800a plus 120 equal to 25 into 8 will get 200. So now let us bring this to this side. 4800a equal to 200. 120 comes this side, becomes minus. So we'll get 4800a equal to, when you minus we will get 80. So now I'll write down this here up. I'll get 4800A equal to 8. We have to find 80. We have to find out the A value. So A we keep it here only, and this will come to division. 4800. So 1 0 gets cancelled. Then with 8, when you cancel this, you will get 6 times 8, you will get 48. So we have 6, we have 0 here. So A will be equal to 1 upon 60. So we got now A value we have, B value we have. A and B are what actually? A and B are 1 upon X, 1 upon Y. So write down that. So A is 1 upon X equal to 1 upon 60, and B is what? 1 upon Y equal to 1 upon 80. So write the reciprocal of this. So it will be X upon Y. Reciprocal means just the opposite. 60 will go up, 1 will come down. Here also Y will come up, 1 will come down. 80 upon 1. So now in denominator 1 has no value. So therefore X equal to 60 and Y equal to 80. And X and Y, what are they? X and Y, the speed of the train and speed of the bus. So write down here, hence the speed of the train is 60 km per hour and the bus is 80 km per hour. So this is our answer. Thank you and God bless you.